You're going to follow along step by step today, so grab a pencil. I'm going to try to draw so you can see what I'm doing, but it might look a little light in the beginning. We'll start with a diagonal line for the rocket ship. It's going to shoot this way. Then I'm going to draw these two lines on each end of that bottom part. So this will be like the tunnel that will be the rocket ship. Basically, we're making a rectangle that's going diagonally. Now I'll add a triangle that's pointy at one end, and that's going to be the front of the rocket ship. Rocket ship has to have some wings on the sides, so I'll do another couple of triangles here. And then I might try to make these 3D if you want to go along with me. All you have to do to make another sideshow is to draw a short little line that goes over and then another longer line that goes down to the body of the rocket ship. And now it looks like we can see two sides of that. Makes it look a little bit more sophisticated, and it's a really simple trick. Now I'm going to make some flames coming out, and we did this with the campfire. All you really need to do for flames is kind of wiggle your pencil. You could also do triangle shapes for your fire. That's what we did in the campfire drawing for the campsites. This one I'm making a little bit more wiggly, so it's like organic lines. You can follow along and do this, or you can come up with your own fire. There's no one way to make fire. Not all fire looks the same. Okay, now we're going to get into the details. Usually, we would want to have some windows so that when we go in our rocket ship, we can look out at space. I'm going to do 3 windows here with circles. And again, if you want to make it 3D, all you have to do is add a little line on the side of each of these circles, and that'll make it look like you can see the edge of the window. So simple. Now I'll just add a few more details. Maybe a window up front for the captain. You can feel free to stop following along now and come up with your own details. You don't have to copy mine, but you're welcome to if you like it. And I'll draw that person in there. Here's his head. Maybe he's wearing a helmet. There's his body, just a couple lines. And a little window for him to look out. He looks like an astronaut. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna add a little dog in here, a cat, and a frog. I want to have animals on my rocket ship. Now I'll just add a few more details, and this is totally up to you. Make yours unique. You can have different animals in your rocket ship, different designs. I'll add some stars, some planets. Now I'm gonna get my Sharpie. I love Sharpies because they really make everything stand out, especially when my lighting and my camera's not working. Wow, now you can see my drawing. Okay, if you have a dark marker, that'll work too. It really can be any color. It's just nice to redraw everything with a marker. Just look at how that stands out. Now I'm going to start adding some color. I have some fun bright colors I'm going to use today. I want my rocket ship to really stand out. There's my frog. Maybe I'll do some pink. Here's a trick. You outline around a shape with a marker. You can then color it in with another color. For example, here I'll outline with a blue marker, and then I'll color it in with a colored pencil. You don't have to try this trick, but you might want to. I remember my babysitter actually taught me that when I was 7. It stuck with me. And I'm gonna color the sky because it would definitely be dark. I'll use gray. This is outer space we're talking, people. Thanks for drawing with us. I can't wait to see your pictures.